There are ancient tribes deep in the Amazon who have perfected the art of torture over hundreds of years. The Federation embraced this heritage, enhancing it with more sophisticated methods. They kept Rourke in a hole for months, feeding him food mixed with the poisons of exotic plants. As they broke down his body, they went to work on his mind. When his mind broke, they went to work on his soul. They rebuilt what was left, twisting him to their purposes. The process was excruciating and exacting. Rourke was their ghost now. The perfect weapon to use against us.
That's enough. What did they do to you?
Same thing you did. They set me free.
You taught me a long time ago. Ghosts don't break. Now, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
Everyone breaks, Elias. Why don't you ask your buddy Ajax? Well, he were still with us.
Grab his chair. Grab his chair. Bring that bastard over here.
So this is how it ends, Elias? You gonna throw me out of this plane?
You're gonna tell me all about that dig site in San Diego.
What? You gonna drop me, Lieutenant? Again?
Answer me, Rourke.
You really think you're gonna break me, Elias? Bring it on! Come on! Here I am!
Well, bring him to me. It's over, Rourke. We beat you.
You haven't beaten me, Elias. You just made my job a hell of a lot easier. Kid, come find me. There's always room for one more.
Snagged on some trees before we landed. Shit, get down. Looks like we got company. We're coming to you. Logan, if you can hear me, try and find the crash site. We're just up the hill. Stay low and quiet and you will find us. You can do this, son. What the hell was that? A tremor, maybe. But I've been wrong before. We still have patrols moving around out here.
Enemigo a la vista.
You have a group of them headed your way. Copy that. Stay safe.
Left side! Merrick!
Hersh. Try to move around. heard gunfire. You okay?
Logan, I knew you'd find us. Good job, son.
Cash, we see you. When this goes loud, stay low. Logan, do it.
You boys good to go? Mako's picking us up 2 clicks from here. What the hell is that? Either way, let's not make ourselves an easy target. We need flying quick, we'll make it home safe. Let's go!
Sounds like a chopper's up ahead of us. I hear it.
Stream and stay low.
Mako, you read? We're halfway to you.
Still moving upriver, Stalker, but we'll be there.
Well, we're coming back this way.
We can hide behind that waterfall.
Do it.
I see him.
Stay still. We pass. Don't move. Let's move before they head back this way.
Keep it up. We're almost to the river, just a little further.
More patrols. Shit! Too loud!
Okay, we're clear.
Kelly's overhead. Wait at the tree line. Let him pass.
Terrific. Quiet, keep low. Meet up at the ridge on the other side. Stay behind me. Single file. Stay low. Stay low. All right, let's keep moving.
We're almost at the river. Harris, call it in.
Mako Actual, this is Ghost 6-3. We're at the river and...
Holy shit.
Is that nuclear? Actual, we got a missile in the air. You boys coming or what?
On our way to you now, Mako. Sit tight. Choppers incoming!
We've been spotted! Down that hill!
Mako, sit tight. Get eyes on the low. Choppers incoming!
We've been spotted! Down that Command, this is Mako 2-3. We have multiple rocket launchers 5 places from our POS. Repeat, we have multiple rockets airborne. How copy, over. 1 minute, Mako. We're almost there. Let's clear the trees! Coming in hot, Actual!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,